How to export and import password from your Google Chrome. Okay, so if you're switching the new PC or switching the new device, so you have to you if you need to uh, y- uh, import your save password, you can import it and export it easily. So I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here I am on my Chrome browser. So first I'm going to show you how you can export your save password, and now then we'll show you how you can import it the new Chrome browser or new PC. So go to the three dot option here, go to the settings, click on settings, and now you have to click on autofill, and here you have to see, you can see the password option, and here you can see your all save password. Now click on this three dot option and go to the export password and click on exports. So if you have your window password, then maybe Chrome asks you your window password, then you have to enter your window password, then it will be export. Then this is for, okay, Chrome browser, and okay, CSV file, common separate file. Okay, or you have to select the CSV file. This is the CSV file, and I just copy it in document. I just save it. Now go to the new Chrome. Let me So guys, I am here on my new Chrome. So if I want to import it, so go to the setting again, and okay, go to the settings. So it is okay. Now go to the autofill password, but here you can see this is a new Chrome and there is a no option to export. Okay, for that you have to enable your export, export settings. So here you have to go in flag setting, go to the browsing bar, and here you have to go and flags. Okay, type the flags here, and this is your flag setting, and here you have to search password input. So this setting you should be enabled. Now relaunch your browser. Now go to the browser again. So guys, I enable it. Now go to the browser, go to the settings, go to the autofill password, and here you can see the option has come, import. Click on it, and you have to find this file and just open it, and then it will be import here. Okay, you can see all password has been import here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.